안녕하세요. Hi everyone. This is your Korean Sim, 진아. Today we are going to learn 입에 붙다. Repeat after me. 입에 붙다. 붙다 is to be attached. So something is attached to your mouth. 뭐가 입에 붙어요? Let's see. Look at the picture here. She's saying, 바빠 죽겠어. I'm so busy to death. I'm dying. 힘들어 죽겠어. I'm so tired. I'm dying. 좋아 죽겠어. Wow, I'm so happy. I'm dying. 무거워 죽겠어. It's too heavy and I'm dying. 싫어 죽겠어. I hate so bad. I hate it. I'm dying. 뭐예요? She keeps saying something 죽겠어, 죽겠어, 죽겠어. So, 죽겠어 is kind of habit for her. Okay, so can you guess? 맞아요. 입에 붙다 is to become a habit as repeatedly saying. So, it is used when a person keeps saying something unconsciously and it becomes a habit. So, do you remember 입에 익다? We actually learned 눈에 익다 before, and we've also covered 입에 익다 or 손에 익다. But 익다 is to be familiar with something. So, when you repeatedly say something and later you can say something easily, then, I'm familiar with this word. So it is also often used when you learn foreign languages. But 입에 붙다 is something about bad thing. So you didn't try to make this habit on purpose, but it just happened. I just get this habit and I don't like it. So we use 입에 붙다 usually in a bad way, but 입에 익다 is something good. So it's similar but different nuance. Okay, let's look at the examples. A. 힘들어. I'm so tired. B. 힘들어. 너 요즘 힘들다고 너무 많이 하는 것 같다. It seems like you say tired. I'm tired too much these days. A. 힘들어. 가. 입에 붙었나 봐. Yeah, probably it became a habit. B. 그러게, 고치는 게 좋겠다. It seems so. You'd better fix it. Because when you say 힘들어, 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 it gives out negative energy, right? So it's better to say positive words. So not 힘들어, 죽겠어요, 싫어요. So, things like that. Okay, so let's check with exercise. Number 1, choose the sentence which incorrectly uses 입에 붙다. Number 1, 그녀는 바쁘다는 말이 입에 붙었어. She always says, 바빠요, I'm busy. 맞아요? Right, it's correct. Number 2, 힘들다는 말이 입에 붙어서 큰일이야. It's a problem that I keep saying 힘들어, 힘들어, 힘들어. 이거 맞아요. It's bad habit. Number 3. 제 친구는 모른다는 말이 입에 붙었어요. 모른다. I don't know. My friends always says, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Do you know what the homework was yesterday? I don't know. Do you want to go party? I don't know. Do you want to go to a movie? I don't know. 몰라요. 얘기해요. 맞아요? It's right. It's correct. Number 4. 고기를 많이 먹어서 because I ate too much meat. 고기가 입에 붙었어요. The meat attached to your mouth? 아니요. It's funny. It's not. It doesn't make any sense. So it's number 4. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Complete this sentence. 말이 한 번 습관이 돼서 고치기 어려워요. 습관 is habit. So it's the same meaning. 고치기가 어려워요. It's hard to fix when once 입에 붙으면 말이 한 번 입에 붙으면 습관이 돼서 it became habit and it's hard to fix later. So if you use bad words every time or slangs, then try to reduce it because it's hard to fix when you are in front of really important people or in official situation. Okay, so it's all for today and see you next time. 다음 시간에 만나요.